Dear students, in the previous class we already told distance formula and some exercise problems. But in this session we are concentrate only on the concept of section formula. Now let us start section formula. Section formula. Look at the figure. In the Cartesian plane, x-axis, y-axis, the coordinates of A is x1, y1, the midpoint P of coordinates x, y, and B of x2, y2. These are two perpendicular lines. Let the coordinates of the point P of x, y, which divides the line segment joining points A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2 internally in the ratio of m1 is to m2. Look at this figure, m1, m2. Therefore, the coordinates of P of x, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now in the special case, the midpoint of a line, look at this, the midpoint of a line segment divides the line segment in the ratio 1:1. Therefore, the coordinates of the midpoint P of the line segment joining of the coordinates of A, x1, y1, look at this, and the coordinates of B is x2, y2 is given by the formula P of x, y is equal to x2 plus x1 divided by 2, y2 plus y1 divided by 2. Dear students, now let us solve a few examples based on the section formula. Start. Example 6. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points 4, -3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally. Solution. Let P of x, y be the required point. Using the section formula, here is the section formula. P of x, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. We take the coordinate of x and this is the coordinate of y. X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. We take m1 as 3 into x2 8 plus m2 1 into x1 4 divided by m1 plus m2 means 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 8 3s are 24 plus 4 1s are 4 is equal to 28. Therefore, 28 divided by 4. 4 7s are 28. We take y. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2 is equal to m1 means 3 into y2 means 5 plus m2 means 1 into y1 means minus 3. 5 3s are 15 plus into minus 3 1s are 3 divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 is equal to 15 minus 3 is equal to 12 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. Dear children, look at these 2 points 7, 3. Therefore, 7, 3 is the required point. Example 10. If the points A of 6, 1 and B of 8, 2 and C of 9, 4, the last one D of P, 3 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find the value of P. Dear children, we draw a parallelogram A, B, C, D. The coordinates of A 6, 1 and we take the coordinates of B is 8, 2 and the coordinates of C is 9, 4 and the coordinates of D is P, 3. We know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Look at this figure. The diagonals AC and BD. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So, the coordinates of the midpoint AC is equal to coordinates of the midpoint BD. Look at the children. The coordinates of the midpoint AC is equal to BD. Now, the coordinates of the midpoint is equal to x2 plus x1 divided by 2, comma y2 plus y1 divided by 2. We take the 4 points A of 6, 1, B of 8, 2, C of 9, 4 and D of P, 3. First we take AC. AC points means 6, 1 and C points 9, 4. AC is equal to BD. We take BD. BD points 8, 2, D, P, 3. First, x2 plus x1 divided by 2 means 9 plus 6 divided by 2, 4 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to, we taken as BD points BD. x2 plus x1 divided by 2 means P plus 8 divided by 2, 3 plus 2 divided by 2. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15 divided by 2. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 2 is equal to P plus 8 divided by 2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2, 5 by 2 cancel. 15 by 2 is equal to P plus 8 by 2. We take the cross multiplication. 15 2s are 30 is equal to 2 into P plus 8. 30 is equal to 2 into P, 2P plus 8 2s are 16. So, 2P plus 16 is equal to 30. 2P is equal to 30 plus minus 60. 2P is equal to 30 minus 16 is equal to 14. 2P is equal to 14. Therefore, P is equal to 14 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 sevens are. P is equal to 7. Example 9. Find the ratio in which the y-axis divides the line segment joining the points 5, minus 6 and minus 1, minus 4. Also find the point of intersection. Solution. We know that, dear students, the y-axis is of the form 0, y. Let the ratio be taken k is to 1. That means m is to n. The coordinates of A is x1, y1 is equal to 5, minus 6 and the coordination of x2, y2 is equal to minus 1, minus 4. Let k is to 1 is equal to m is to n. We taken m1 is equal to k and m2 is equal to 1. We apply the distance formula x, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So x-axis is y-axis is of the form 0 comma y is equal to m1 k x2 minus 1 plus m2 means 1, x1 means 5 divided by m1 plus m2 is equal to k plus 1 is equal to m1 k y2 is equal to minus 4 plus m2 1 y1 is equal to minus 6 and also k plus 1. So first you can take 0 is equal to, and next of the form y is of the form 0 is equal to plus into minus 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 k plus 5 k plus 1 is equal to, apply cross multiplication, k plus 1 into 0 is 0 minus k plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore minus k is equal to minus 5, minus minus cancel, k is equal to 5. The ratio is of the form 5:1. Next apply y this form, y is equal to 5 into minus 4 plus 1 into minus 6 divided by 5 plus 1. So plus into minus minus, 5 4s are 20, plus into minus minus, 6 1s are 6 divided by 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Minus 20 minus 6 is equal to minus 26 divided by 6. 3 2s are 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 3s are. So y is equal to minus 13 divided by 3. Therefore the coordinates of the point of intersection is of the form 0 comma y. 0 comma y means y is equal to minus 13 divided by 3. Exercise 7.2. First one, find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. Dear students, we take the coordinates of the points B x comma y and also take m1 is to m2 is equal to 2:3. The coordinates of A is x1 y1 is equal to minus 1 comma 7 and the coordinates of B is 4 comma minus 3 is equal to x2 comma y2. We take x1 is equal to minus 1, y1 value 7, x2 value 4, y2 value minus 3. Apply the suction formula. X comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. X comma y is equal to 2 into 4 plus m2 means 3 into x1 is equal to minus 1 divided by m1 plus m2 is equal to 2:3, comma m1 value 2, y2 value minus 3 plus m2 value 3 and y1 value 7 divided by m1 plus m2 is equal to 2 plus 3. Next, x comma y is equal to 4 2s are 8 plus into minus minus 3 1s are 3 divided by 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, comma plus into minus minus 3 2s are 6 plus 7 3s are 21 divided by 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 divided by 5, comma minus 6 plus 21 is equal to 15 divided by 15. X comma y is equal to 5 5 is a cancel 1, comma 5 3s are 15. The coordinates of x comma y is equal to 1 comma 3. The x value is 1 and the y value is 3. Second, if A and B are -2, -2 and 2, -4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP is equal to 3/7 AB and P lies on the line segment AB. Solution: given AP is equal to 3/7 AB, also AB is equal to 7/3 AP. So look at this figure, children. P divides AB in the ratio 3:4. 3 plus 4 is also 7. Therefore, AP is to PB is to, once again, AP is to PB is equal to 3:4. The coordinates of Q x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and also m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. We apply the section formula. m1 means 3, x2 2 plus m2 4, x1 value -2, m1 is to m2 means m1 plus m2 means 3 plus 4, m1 value 3, y2 value -4 plus m2 value 4, y1 is also -2 divided by m1 plus m2 is equal to 3 plus 4. 3 2s are 6 plus into minus -8, 4 2s are 8 divided by 7, comma plus into minus 3 4s are 12 plus into minus 4 2s are 8, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Q of x comma y is equal to plus 6 minus 8 is equal to -2 divided by 7, comma minus 12 minus 8 is equal to -20 divided by 7. Once again, the coordinates of Q in x comma y is equal to -2 divided by 7, comma -20 divided by 7. The x value is -2/7 and the y value is -20 divided by 7. Find the area of a rhombus if its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, -1, 4 and -2, -1 taken in order. Solution: distance formula is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Dear students, this is a parallelogram. The diagonals AC and BD. These four points are vertices. We take first AC diagonal and BD diagonal. AC is equal to root of, apply the distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The first diagonal AC is equal to root of x2 means -1 minus x1 means 3 whole square plus y2 means 4 minus y1 0 whole square is equal to root of -1 minus 3 is equal to -4 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square is equal to 4 whole square is equal to root of 4 4s are 16 plus 4 4s are 16 is equal to root of 16 into 2 is equal to 4 root 2. Another diagonal BD is equal to root of x2 means -2 minus x1 means 4 whole square plus y2 means -1 minus y1 means -5 whole square is equal to root of -2 minus 4 is equal to -6 whole square plus -1 minus 5 is equal to -6 whole square is equal to root of 6 6 are 36 plus 6 6 are 36 is equal to root of 36 into 2 is equal to root of 36 means 6 root 2. Area of a rhombus is equal to half into product of its diagonals. So the area of the rhombus is equal to half into first diagonal AC and second one is BD is equal to half into first diagonal AC is equal to 4 root 2 into BD means 6 root 2 is equal to 6 4s are 24 root 2 into root 2 whole square divided by 2. Square root cancel, 24 into 2 divided by 2. 2 cancel is equal to the area of the rhombus is equal to 24 square units. Dear students, do yourself the remaining problems of this exercise 7.2. Thank you.